Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, then please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange a clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, NBHM, TIF, or that kinds of entrance exams, and also your semester exams also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper, and the question is telling us let x be an e to the power lambda random variable, exponential lambda random variable. Suppose y equals to minimum of x comma 2. Let fx and fy denote the distribution functions of x and y respectively. Then which of the following statement is true? Option A is telling us that fy is a continuous function. Option B is telling us that the expectation of y is greater than expectation of x. Option C is telling us that fyy is discontinuous at y equals to 2, and option D is telling us that if yt less than equals to fxt for all t belongs to R. Okay, so let us see what can be done. Okay, so we are given that our x is an exponential random variable with parameter lambda. So our x exponential. So they have defined y equals to minimum of x comma 2. So we need to analyze the properties of y and its distribution function fy. So the distribution function of x is fxt equals to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t. Let me shift the screen. So when our t is greater than equals to 0, and 0 when our t is less than 0. Okay. So now the distribution function of y is will be what? So the random variable y equals to the minimum of x comma 2. So is a censored version of x. So its distribution function fyt is given by fxt if our t is if our t is less than 2, and 1 if our t is greater than equals to 2. So explicitly our fyt will be now 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t when close 0 to open 2. 1 when our t is greater than equals to 2, and 0 for t less than 0. Okay, so now we are going to analyze the statement. So the first statement is telling us that fy is a continuous function. Okay, so we have to check that. So our fyt is continuous for t not equals to 2. So at t equals to 2, fyt jumps from 1 minus 2 e to the power 2 lambda to 1. Thus our fyt is discontinuous at t equals to 2. So our statement A is false. Okay. So let us check our statement B is true or not. So our expectation of y is greater than expectation of x. So the expectation of x in this case we all know that will be what? The expectation of x in this case we would get lambda. Okay. Sorry, that will be 1 by lambda. So the expectation of y will be equals to integral 0 to 2 t into lambda e to the power minus lambda t dt plus from integral 2 to infinity 2 into lambda e to the power minus lambda t dt. So the first term is the expectation of x truncated at 2 and the second term accounts for the censoring at 2. Since our y is less than equals to x, we have expectation of y less than equals to expectation of x. So our option B is false, that they told us expectation of y is strictly greater than expectation of x. So now the option C is telling us that the fyy is discontinuous at y equals to 2. So let us check now. So as shown in the previous step, our fyt jumps at t equals to 2. So it is discontinuous at y equals to 2. So our option C is true. So now we have to check for the option D. What is option D is telling us that fyt is less than equals to fxt for all t belongs to R. Okay. So let us check now. For t less than 2, our fyt is equals to fxt. Why? Because we only get the 0 value here. 0 and the 1 and this thing. Okay. So t less than 2, we would get only these values. Okay. So we can match from this definition of the functions. So now for t greater than equals to 2, our fyt is equals to 1. While our fxt is what? That is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t. Since our 1 minus e to the power lambda t is less than 1, so our fyt greater than fxt for t greater than equals to 2. Okay. So thus our fyt less than equals to fxt does not hold for all t. That is only holding for t less than equals to 2. Sorry, less than 2. Okay. So our statement D is also false because they told us this thing holds for, that means the less than equals to fyt less than equals to fxt holds for all t. So that is wrong. So the correct answer of this question will be what? That is our option C. That is telling us that the fyy is discontinuous at y equals to 2. Okay. So again I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes also. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.